Welcome back to our channel here at Advancing Aiden. Don't mind the fact that I haven't touched my year in pixels since March. I'm not afraid to throw down the "I've got cancer" card to escape yet another area of judgment y'all will throw my way. Technically, this is Nick, editing for Beka, so all voiceovers are done by yours truly.
Here she's removing all her April stuff so she can add in her May planner. She completely overhauled her weekly layout. I'm not sure why. She told me to include all the process because neurodivergent people can be overwhelmed by processes, especially ones with lots of steps. To set up her planner, she has to remove the old month. She updates and prints the new one every month. Then she has to hand punch pages for her disc-bound planner. She's been doing this method since October. She's changed the month layout after 2 months. She changed the daily layout after just 1 month. It's been nearly 6 months, and she changed up the weekly layout finally. She's sitting next to me now. So I asked her why she changed the weekly layout after so long. I almost don't want to tell you her response. It should come as a shock to no one. Hold on. Is she leaving herself vaguely threatening positive reinforcement? I had to go pull a photo from her filming yesterday. She absolutely is. Someone check on Beka. Oh, look. This voice-to-text guy can say my wife's name correctly. Maybe I'll switch. It makes me cackle when it says Beka. Okay. I'll be serious again. We installed all her pages. She tabs them by week. Ooh, this is where my tweezers went, I wondered. Look, I don't know any more than y'all do what she's doing. I have to watch the footage, and then I can figure it out. I'm lost as to what she's doing, but she likes stickers. Aiden has now joined me, and she told me she was helping Mama do her planner yesterday. The yellow are birthdays, so that explains what she's doing here. It's important to have visual reminders for things like this. Honestly, it's a good reminder for me as a spouse to be better involved. I didn't even know we had birthdays to celebrate, and I know Beka's tired. Anyone have good birthday gift ideas for my brother-in-law and sister-in-law? They're not married to each other, in case that matters. Aiden says now Beka is putting her professional development on the calendar. For those of you like me who have the attention span of a goldfish, she's 3 minutes in on this video and has designed a new layout, removed the old month, punched the new one, added it, and is now doing the family calendar we all need to know things for. Oh, good to know. The Gremlins don't have school next Friday. Aiden wants you to know that planners are important for knowing when routines change. They can help you prepare for changes to help you adjust so you don't have big feelings. Yes, that is a direct quote from her while I edit this, so y'all better listen. Also, she said, let me know in the comments if you want more advice. She was adding in both of our last days for this semester. Did you know that Beka is taking 19 credits this semester? I'm only taking 13 and it feels like so much. Oh no, I absolutely forgot Mother's Day was already here. I know I'm the neurotypical one in this relationship, but I'm learning so much from having to do this voiceover for y'all. Which is honestly probably why she makes me do these now. That, and she is too tired to edit right now. But we all should say, way to go. because she found time to film this full one for y'all. It makes me sad to see her do this. I know what it is, but I'll wait and see if she tells you guys. Yup, Radiation Days, let me add her family group chat here in a second. It's good to see they're all taking this very seriously. I never remember until I'm editing, but I need to get her a better filming stand. Remind me in Patreon, y'all.
I'm scared! I scroll forward and don't like what I see.
Anyway, month planners are really important, but neurodiversity is unique to each person. It's important to have a functional planner over a pretty one. Direct quote from my lovely wife. This right here is what scared me. I knew she was planning to post more once we were out of school. Oh, I don't like that tapping. That's her thinking stim. She told me I would see the plan when I edit. Side note, those are the erasable colored gel pens from either Amazon or TikTok shop. Which is a good sign for me, because that means the plan is not set in stone. When she does it in pen, like the monthly layout a few minutes ago, that means no flexibility in the plan. She has a whole section for swatching for a content type.
Right via my bank account. That means she's buying more pens.
Oh no, not the day in the life. That's my job. Or maybe not, oh no. Y'all like when I catch her doing Beka I things. It's nice to see we have a plan at least. If you ever wondered who the brains of this operation was, well, we all know you never wondered. It was always Beka. That's why we haven't been as active lately.
Beka here again. For the record, he knew about the plan. I talked to him before I sat down to do the planner. It's not like he didn't have an opinion.
Give me my job back, woman. I definitely just changed the voice I used. She didn't use the computer, but you're all my witnesses. I said what she wanted. Looks like on Radiation Days, y'all are getting plan with me videos and packing videos. Honestly, a solid plan, since I do those without much input from her, and she doesn't approve the edits for those. I'm a little worried about these full-length videos on Fridays, because those are YouTube videos, but I believe in her.
There it is! I knew it! Rip the bank account! Someone check Amazon!
It looks like Aiden is weighing in on the swatching video plan. Oh boy, what kind of behind-the-scenes content do you guys want? Looks like that's scheduled for Mondays. All that, and she didn't even do a close-up of her new layout. But I will leak it to Patreon, because I'm the boss, no matter what Beka says.